Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage kitchen decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage kitchen decoration is a warm, nostalgic style that brings back the charm of past decades, especially the 1920s to 1970s. Through cozy textures, classic materials, and antique-inspired pieces, it is about mixing history, comfort, and simple beauty to create a kitchen that feels timeless and lived in. Key elements of vintage kitchen decoration: classic color palette. Use soft shooting and antique tones such as cream, ivory, and soft whites. Also use pastel blue, mint cream, hilly yellow. Warm earth tones. Also soft floral or gingham prints. This colors create a calm and homely feeling. Use natural materials like solid wood shelves and tables, wicker baskets, ceramic jars and vintage enamelware, copper brass, or cast iron accents. This bring warmth and authenticity. Retro appliances. Use vintage-style refrigerators and stoves, old-fashioned kitchen skills, manual coffee grinders, and enamel kettles and retro toasters. This acts as functional decor pieces. Farmhouse inspired details. Use open shelving with neatly displayed dishes, mason jars, and glass canisters, slates curtains or gingham textiles, rustic cutting boards, and rolling pins. Perfect for adding cozy farmhouse vibes. Nostalgic decorative touches. Use floral plates and ceramic mugs, vintage clocks and wall art, tin sign and metal labels, retro painted slides, floral jugs, and embroidered linens. These small details build the vintage feeling. Soft and cozy atmosphere. Vintage kitchens feel welcoming and lived in, not modern or glossy. With soft lighting, handmade items, and collected treasures, create a warm mood. Why vintage kitchen decor is popular, feels nostalgic and beautiful, make the kitchen cozy and soulful, allows personal creativity with DIY pieces, brings history and charm into the home. Simple ways to start. Display your favorite cups and platters. Add lace or floral curtains. Use open baskets for storage. Bring in enamel pots, antique jars, or ritual style clock. Even a few touches can transform a kitchen. Vintage kitchen decoration is not just a style, it is a feeling. It carries the soul of old homes, the warmth of shared meals, and the calm beauty of solo living. It blends nostalgia with practicality, reminding us of simpler days, when kitchens are cozy, lively, and full of character. Here is deeper, poetic, and practical insight into it. The sense of a vintage kitchen. A vintage kitchen celebrates memory and heritage. Items passed down, lived to cherished. Soft imperfection is own wood, mismatched bowls, chippy paint. Handmade beauty is crochet towels, hand painted jars, and embroidered linens. Solo comfort, simmering pots, warm lighting, open shelves with love dishes. This style is emotional. It invites comfort, heat, and storage. Textures and materials that defined it. Vintage style loves natural and tactile textures. Use wood beams and aged oak cabinets, stone or farmhouse silk. Use lace, cotton, and linen fabrics. Use wicker baskets and rattan trays, enamel, copper, brass, and cast iron. Use ceramic jars, floral porcelain, and glass canisters. Everything looks touched by time and full of life. Decor motifs and patterns. Vintage kitchen often use floral prints like roses or wildflowers. Uses gingham and checks, botanical themes, polka dots and pastel tiles, hand-painted plates, and cottage-style wallpaper. Patterns are gentle, nostalgic, and home-like. Storage and display style. Vintage does not hide beauty, it displays it. Open wooden shelves, hanging copper pans, mason jars with grains, glass cabinets for dishes, baskets for product, crocks for wooden spoons. Functional items become decoration. Emotional feeling. A vintage kitchen felt like a grandmother's warm embrace. Morning sun on lace curtains, fresh bread cooling on a wooden boat, tea simmering in a floral kettle. Life lived slowly, soulfully, and lovingly. It is a part in the fast modern world. How to bring it into your home. Even simple touches make a difference. Add lace or floral fabric curtains. Display teacups, jugs, and enamelware. Hang wooden kitchen tools. Place flower in a vintage vase or enamel jug. Use a floral or crochet table genre. Add a retro clock or enamel themes. Add pastel canisters and glass jars. You can build in slowly with chipped finds and handmade pieces. Vintage kitchen words in one line. A cozy, memory-filled kitchen where time slows down and love fills the air. The spirit behind vintage kitchens. A vintage kitchen is a living memory space, a room that holds warmth, stories, laughter, and the rhythm of old traditions. It is not decorated to impress, it is styled to comfort. It brings back the poetry of everyday life. The sound of a kettle whistling, great church rising under a cotton cloth, morning light filtering through lace curtains, a shelf full of jars and handwritten labels. Every object feel loved, not crowded. Design philosophy. Vintage kitchen design follows these subtle rules. Vintage principles. Use what you have, meaning beauty in practicality. Keep the old alive. Roster, reuse, and repurpose. Celebrate imperfection, scratches, patina, or equal history. Comfort first, looks and feels gently. Solace living aesthetics, cooking as the rituals, not a task. Vintage style is not just about perfection, it is about presence. Emotional layers of the style. A vintage kitchen has layers of feeling, nostalgia. Reminds you of family kitchens from childhood, warmth, gentle colors, soft textures, and warm metals. Simplicity. Basic tools that do real work. Romance, floral patterns, soft light, and delicate details. Homeliness. Jars lined up, herbs shine, baskets full of product. It whispers, "You are home. Sit, breathe, and enjoy." Small details that create big emotion. Vintage magic lives in little touches. A vase of garden flowers on the table, faded recipe books stuck near the stove. A hand-embroidered tea towel hanging with care, wicker baskets holding onions, potatoes, and garlic. A wall hung with spoons and cast iron pans. A floral jug filled with legless, and weights. These are not decorations, they are quiet moments of living. The ultimate vintage kitchen message. A kitchen should feel like a hug, soft, warm, and full of life. Vintage kitchen as a story space. A vintage kitchen is like a living diary. Every object carries a whisper, a wooden spoon, owned smooth by years of stirring, a tipped enamel bowl that once held warmth breathed thought, a floral jug that has seen tulips in spring and marigolds in autumn, a clock ticking softly, never in a hurry. Vintage decor is not bought, it is gathered, inherited, discovered, and loved. Soulful purposes behind vintage choices. Vintage kitchens are designed not for show, but for feeling. Elements, floral fabrics, and lace. Hidden purpose, soft life, bring tenderness. East oud and patina. On the times instead of fearing it. Clusters and open shelves. Make food visible, celebrate, beautiful. Iron nooks and hanging pans for practicality with warmth. Handwritten labels for personal touch, human over digital. Vintage design loves the human fingerprint. Atmosphere, warm, slow, and alive. A vintage kitchen breathes like a gentle afternoon. It values warm light, never hushed brightness, soft sounds, kettle tapping, plates clinking, natural scents, fresh herbs, baked bread, brewed tea. Anti-tea beauty, basket full, tea towel unturned, jars half filled. It is not staged, it is lived in. If modern kitchens are photographs, vintage kitchens are poems. Philosophy of imperfection. Vintage style honors scratches, rust, faded fabric, mismatched mugs, paired handles, and stitched gems. Each imperfection says, this has survived, it has value, it has a story. Nothing is disposable. Everything has a soul and a second life. Daily rituals become beauty. In a vintage kitchen, routine becomes ritual. Washing herbs feel like meditation. Spring soup feels ancestral. Setting the table feels poetic. Whipping flour dust feelings satisfying. The kitchen turns everyday task into quiet moments of meaning. Seasonal rhythm. Vintage kitchen follow nature's mood. Spring. Pastel flower, fresh greens, lace curtains fluttering. Summer, enamel pictures, lady bowls, bright linens. Autumn, copper warmth, fleet bundles, cozy tea scents. Winter, knitted cozies, candlelight, warm spice jars. It is a living seasonal heartbeat. Emotional message of a vintage kitchen. You're safe, you are home, settle down, stay a while. Vintage kitchen does not trust you, they embrace you. Vintage kitchen decoration is the art of turning everyday life into memory, warmth, and gentle beauty. Our objects carry stories and time for kind. Vintage kitchen as a memory century. A vintage kitchen is not just a room. It is a keeper of memories. It holds the warmth of family meals, the echo of laughter and quiet mornings, the smell of soups shimmering slowly, the softness of old linens touched by generations. It is a space where time lingers instead of rushing. In a modern world, casing spade. A winter's kitchen whispers, settle down, sit, feel life again. Winter's style carries emotions in every invisible corner. Clum, how to it show, pastel tones, gentle fabrics, nostalgia. Use old chairs, antique plates, and embroidered cloths. Warmth, ordered shelves, honey tones, and copper reflection. Tenderness, floral designs, lace curtains, and soft latting. Simplicity, use few tools, basic comfort, and honest beauty. It is a kitchen with a heartbeat. Atmosphere show, light and sound. Winter's atmosphere is created not only by objects, but by mood, light, soft morning, sun-filtered trellis, warm bulbs, never harsh LED glare. Candlelight or oil lamp glow in evening. Saints rituals, saints are part of its soul. Fresh herbs on the window links. Warm treat aroma, cinnamon, clove, vanilla, and cardamom. A vase of jasmine or garden roses. Soup and lemon after dishes. A winter's kitchen smells like care. Objects with memories. Vintage decor is about owning objects that mean something, not just fill a space. Examples: a floral mug you read for everyday morning, grandma's rolling pin, own recipe cards with stains from years of cooking, a ceramic jars that once belonged to someone else. Each time says, I have lived, I belong here. A space that breathes. Unlike uncluttered or minimalist spaces, vintage kitchens balance full shelves but breathing room, displayed items but arranged thoughtfully, cozy not crowded, organized but not strict. It feels like life, in harmony, not perfection. Poetic in practical things. In a vintage kitchen, everyday items become art. A basket of onions like rustic still life. A towel casually hung like soft drapery. Beauty lives in useful things used with love. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.